ingorane mu gukora urwo rugendo?
What were the challenges along the way?
Ese amasomo twabikuyemo ni ayahe?
Lesson learned.
Nagira ngo ngaruke ku bufatanye bukomeye bw'igihugu cyacu cy'u Rwanda ndetse n'igihugu cya Korea.
I want to really appreciate and recognize the partnership between the two countries, Korea and Rwanda.
Ntabwo tubifata nk'ibintu bisanzwe.
We don't take it as for granted.
Murabizi yuko kugeza ubu ngubu dukoresha mikoro duhawe na KOICA Rwanda.
You know that KORAA uses the resources from KOICA Rwanda.
Ngira ngo nshimire nanone ko hari ibikorwa kimwe na bimwe abanyamuryango bwacu twatekereje kandi bikagerwaho binyuze mu bufatanye bwa twese.
But also KORAA members do their own activities when they put their effort together. KOICA has conducted the 2024 World Friends Korea workshop, safety training, and also volunteer evaluation workshop, as well as partnership conferences. As you can see, these are the partners where our volunteers are dispatched. The others are evaluation of the volunteers, where each volunteer presents what is doing, and then the KOICA will evaluate.
The other community outreach, which we call number 3, and I thank everybody who contributed, was the health insurance support, where we collected money and we supported this number 107 individuals from 33 families.
The way how we can motivate members to participate, and of course the participation will be awarded.
Ndaje ngo twubakire ku byo twagezeho, nimubona byaragize umusaruro murampundagaza amajwi, nimubona harabona sitaye muramusora.
If you elected me to this position, I will focus on networking. As you saw, we still have that problem. We don't know who is who and who is where.
Niyo nsinzi yanyu kandi niyo nsinzi y'abatarutoye n'ukuri.
Nzashyira imbaraga cyane mu kintu cya networking, ukamenya ninde muri iyi network aherereye hehe, ashoboye iki, turabura iki, twafatanya iki.
The human leadership will be very crucial in guiding KORAA towards the new opportunities and achievement. I have no doubt that under your stewardship, we will see increased engagement and a thriving spirit within our community. You are not just a member of KORAA. You are bridges and ambassadors of friendship between Korea and Rwanda. The NST2 is on the horizon, and we must unite our efforts and fulfill its potential. As we witnessed during the Korea and Africa Summit in June, the relationship between our two countries is robust and filled with promise. Together, we can build on this momentum and further enhance our cooperation. Let us remain the driving force behind positive change and progress in Rwanda.